Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this KUZOR faucet. This is a matte black faucet. It can be installed on one hole or two hole or three hole sinks. This comes with also a sink stopper. All right. So there is that, and it has just this plastic on top. So we're gonna be doing an install video on this as well. This is pretty nice there. What else is in the box? Okay, so that's pretty heavy duty. Here is the faucet. That's pretty sweet. It comes with this nice little bag there. That's cool. And we already have our water lines attached. But look at that. This one's just going to drain over the top. The water's going to come out and spill down over the spout there. And we have hot and cold on the top. That looks pretty sweet. Actually, I like the nice matte black finish on that. Looks elegant and yet simple. Okay. Set that off to the side. And see what else in the box. Okay, so this is our, since I have a three-hole sink, this is going to be down over the top of that, and you can install, if you just have a one-hole sink, you're not going to use it. If you have a three-hole, this is going to cover the other two holes, so that's what we need. And we have this little tool here for installing, and then we have these tools here, or these parts here. Looks like a couple of washers and stuff. So, and then of course we have our instructions in the box right here. Looks fairly straightforward here on the installation. So I'm looking forward to this. I have another sink faucet that was in there, and it's just kind of not working so hot right now. So I'm going to be showing you how to install this one. Okay, my friends, so there we have it. Elegant, simplistic, works really well. I like it. The spout's up high enough so the water can come out. The drain, just press that down and it'll fill up the sink, and then press it again. And there you go. It's recommended you let this run for a little bit. Hot water was definitely the one on the left. Yes, it's hot. That was correct. And then one on the right. Super smooth and quiet, and just a nice looking faucet here. Solid, really simplistic, but really like kind of elegant as well. I like the little hot and cold indicators there, but it just looks really nice. It matches everything else I have in here with the black lighting. Hot water coming out nicely there, and it looks really good. So very excellent. It's very smooth. Also, installation not bad at all. And there we have it. So thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.